Hello everyone, welcome to Site Programming channel. I am Hemant, belongs to Department of IT, 2nd BTech. In this video, I am happy to discuss about some important classes in UTIL packages. And the important classes that I am discussing in this video are HashMap, Dictionary, LinkedList, and Stack. First, let us see what is HashMap. It provides the basic implementation of the map interface of Java. It stores the data in key value pairs and you can access them by an index of another type. That is example an integer. One object is used as key to another object value. If you try to insert the duplicate key, it will replace the element of the corresponding key. This is the sample program. So once have a look at this and let's execute this one to get more clarity regarding the hash map. Here I'm importing the class HashMap which is in the util package. I'm importing with the help of the keyword import. And here you can observe that I'm creating instance for the class HashMap where I wrote string comma integer which is nothing but the string indicates the key and integer is going to be indicates the value where we discussed that the HashMap is going to be store the key value pairs. Here the key is string data type and the value is integer data type. In the next statement you can observe that I wrote the keyword put where the put is going to be helpful to insert the keys and values into the hash map. You can observe that Hemant is a string and 40 is the value. And next one we can observe that size method where the size method is going to be return the size of the hash map. And in the next one I wrote values method where this values method is going to be written all the values for the corresponding keys. And in the key set it is going to be written all the keys which are present in the hash map where now you can observe that contains key. This contains key is a method which is going to be written the boolean value whether that particular key is present or not. If the particular key is present, it is going to be written the true. Now get method where this get method is going to be written the value for that particular key. Here I want to get the value for the key Hemant. Now let us execute this one. Let me compile this one. Java C implementing hashmap.java. Since there are no errors, let me interpret this one. Java implementing HashMap. It produced the output. The size of the map is 3 and in the second one the total hash map it printed and in the third one it printed the values for the particular keys and in the next one it printed all the keys which are present in the hash map and in the last one it returned the value of the key Hemant where the value for the key Hemant is 40. You can observe in this program which I put in this particular hash map. Now let us discuss a few things regarding hash map. A hash map is going to be allow null values but the number of null values it is going to be allowed is 1. It is going to allow only one null value. And the next thing, the hash map has 4 types of constructors. That means first constructor is hash map with no arguments and the second constructor is hash map with one argument and that argument is nothing but initial capacity of data type int. And the third argument is initial capacity and load factor, that is two arguments of data type int and float respectively. And the fourth one is going to be take map which is the class available in the util package. Now let us discuss the another important class that is available in the util package, that is dictionary. It is an abstract class representing a key value relation and works similar to a map. Before we discussed hash map that is going to be stored the key value pairs and dictionary is also going to be stored the key value pairs. But what is the main difference between the dictionary and the hash map? The main difference is the dictionary is cannot able to map, where the hash map can able to map. That is the main difference. And this is the sample program for the dictionary. Have a look at this, and then after let's execute this program. Here you can observe that I wrote a statement import java.util.star, where it is going to be import all the classes which are available in the util package. And in this statement I created instance for the dictionary, where I wrote integer comma string. That is, integer is going to be represent the key and string is going to be represent the value. And isEmpty method, it is going to be return the boolean variable. If the dictionary is empty, it is going to be returned true or else false. And the put method, as we discussed before, it is helpful to insert the keys and values into the dictionary. And the keys method, it is going to be helpful to return all the keys which are available in the dictionary. And then after size method, it is going to be return the size of the dictionary. And the remove method is going to be remove the particular value for the particular key. It is going to be take only one argument, and that argument is the key. Now let's execute this one. Java C implementing dictionary.java. Since there are no errors, let me interpret this one. Java implementing dictionary. And it produces the output. In the first one, the dictionary is empty. That's why it is returned true. Then after I insert these three values and keys into the dictionary. That's why it returned false. Then after it returned the whole dictionary. Then after it returned the keys which are available in my dictionary. Then after it returned the size of the dictionary is 3. Then after the removed value for that particular key is Prashant. That's why it returned Prashant. This is all about the dictionary. Now let us discuss about another important class that is available in the util package, that is linked list. A linked list is a linear data structure where the elements in this are stored in discrete memory locations. Since we remember the concept of array, an array is also linear data structure, but the difference between the array and the linked list is an array is going to be store the elements in continuous memory locations, but the linked list is going to be stored in discrete memory locations, and this discrete memory locations is going to be advantageous for us. This is the sample program for the linked list. Once have a look at this, then after let's execute this one. Here I wrote a statement import java.util.linkedList, where I am importing the class linkedList which is available in the util package. Here I created the instance for the linkedList. I wrote integer, where the integer is going to represent all the elements which are present in the linkedList are of data type integer. And next I wrote the method add, where this add method is going to be take one argument or two arguments. If we wrote only one argument, it is going to be append that particular element. And if we wrote two arguments, it is going to be insert that particular element at the particular position which we mentioned. And the add first method is going to be insert the element at the beginning. And the add last method is going to be insert the element at the end. And the next one, get first method, it is going to be return the beginning element which is in the linked list. And the get last method is going to be return the last element which is in the linked list. And the remove method is going to be take one argument, that is the position of the element that we want to remove. Let's execute the program. Java C implementing linkedList.java. Since there are no errors, let us interpret this one. Java implementing linked list. and it produced the output, the total elements, the entire elements that are in the linked list, and it produced. The element at the beginning is 43 and the element at the end is 59 and the element which we removed is 65. This is about the linked list class. Now let us discuss about another important class that is available in the util package, that is stack class. The basic operations of the stack are insert, delete and the search. And now let us see how we are going to perform these operations. This is the sample program for the stack. Once have a look at this, then after let's execute this one and let's see what output it is going to produce. In the first statement, I imported the stack class which is available in the util package. Then after, I created instance for the stack class and I wrote integer. That means the elements that present in my stack are of data type integer. And the push method. Push method is going to be take one argument, that is the element. It is going to be push the elements into the stack. Then after, pop method. Pop method is going to be pop the elements in the stack. Then after peek method, it is going to be return the peek element that is present in the stack. Then after search method. Search method is going to be take one argument and that is the element. It is going to be search for that particular element. If the element present in the stack, then it is going to be return the position of that particular element, or else it is going to be present -1. Now let us execute this one. First of all, let me compile this one. Since there are no errors, let me interpret this one. Java implementing stack. And it produces the output, the elements in the stack. Initially, the number of elements in my stack are 3. Then after, the number of elements in my stack are 5. And then after, I popped the element 37. After popping element 37, the peak element is 43. And the 40 is at the position 4. That means it is counting from the end. This is about the stack. Now let us discuss about the most important class that is available in the util package. That is scanner class. That means if you want to take the input from the user, that means if you want to give the input at the terminal, then we have to import the scanner class. This is the sample program regarding the scanner class. Once we have a look at this, then after let us see the execution of this program and let's see what output it is producing. In the first statement, I imported the class scanner which is available in the util package. Then after, I created instance for the scanner class and here I wrote system.in, where the system.in is going to be referred that we are giving the input from the keyboard. Then after, the next int method. The next int method is going to be refer the element that I am giving the input is of data type int. If we want to give the elements of data type float, then we have to write next float. If you want to give double, then we have to write next double. Based on the data type, that we have to change the method name. Next int, next float, next double, like that. Let us see the execution of this program. First of all, let me compile this one. Since there are no errors, let me interpret this one. Java implementing scanner. It is asking me to enter the values for fnum and snum. I am giving 2 and 3 and it produces the output sum of 2 and 3 is 5. And this is all about the scanner class. This is all about the few important classes that are available in the util packages. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.